shade. Animals behind me. Don't know what else can be better. I guess I want to do an outside video today because it's nice. It's summer, no school, no parents, and it's just a beautiful day. So why not? I don't know what I'm going to do, to be honest. I don't plan the videos. It's probably why they suck. But I thought I'd be a stupid idiot and just do cartwheels. That's idiotic. Like all that trash. The tree right here is some sort of fruit tree. I don't care what it is. I know that it stains real bad on clothes. Okay. I'm going to see if I can do a cartwheel. Doubt I can. Nope, I cannot. Oh, that hurt. Very badly, actually. I didn't know how badly that could hurt. Oh, shit. I don't want to leave you unintended, but I want to get my dog or someone out here with me, but I don't know where they are. So that's fun. Should have brought my brother out here so he could help us. Oh, yesterday I was in 4-H. I was at 4-H and we helped pick up weeds, paint the bathrooms. Not as disgusting as you think. Then we had a cookout. It was really fun, and I encourage anyone who wants to learn new things. 4-H is the place to go. Mainly, it helps people. It helps you learn. It helps the kids. It helps the grown-ups. And if you live on a farm, or even if you live in the city, there's always a 4-H close by that you can go to. And I sound like an insane lady. Yeah. Okay, so kind of hungry now. That didn't go as well as I planned, and just lost a lot of fruit. This one's easier to reach. These are the things that I'm talking about. They taste really good. Let's go see my animals. That'll be fun. I'll take a while. Plus, I don't want to face the camera down because of all the poop and everything. There's an area they poop, there's an area they don't. It's just a weird thing they do. And FYI, the little small one you see is not an alpaca. It is a sheep. It is a big, fluffy sheep I call Sebastian. And if you want, I can name all of them for you. The loud one you're hearing is Duke. Hey, Yorick. Okay. So, this one right here is Yorick. That's Max. Those two white ones are, one's a Siri, one is not. The Siri is Bellagio. And if I get to the side view, that's Duke. That's Dukey. This is Sue. Hey, buddy. That's Nimbus. If you watch Harry Potter, you'll understand the name Nimbus. This is Trey. 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 Hey, big baby. Hey, baby. Hi. And this is... That's Nimbus again. Camera shy a bit. But this big baby right here is my baby. This is Sebastian. This is his first time being out of his cage, but it's okay. He'll get used to everything. And that's my precious little girl. Who's mommy's baby, huh? You my baby? Yeah. That's Maybelline. Best guard dog in the world. So I'm going to let these guys eat, and we can go look at the rest of my alpacas. Well, they're not mine exactly, but okay. Here's the rules your parents give you. If you take care of it and you help with it, you're a part of it. So I'm a part of these animals, so they're mine. Sebastian is mine, though. If I have to, I will write my name on a collar for him and put it on him, if nobody understands. That would be really cute, having a collar on him. And I'm just blabbing on and on and on and on and on, aren't I? But yes. Okay, give me a second. I gotta tie this thing up. And FYI, if you want alpacas, they cost a lot of money. So I suggest you make a deal with somebody before you just, get them. Because then it's going to be a pain in the butt, and I just picked one that was great. But this is my baby. Hi, bud. You ready to go see your sister? Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Best dogs ever. Great Pyrenees are good guard dogs. They're not meant for running around and playing with, though. They can be if you want, but we use them for guard dogs better. It works different ways. Matters how you want to do it. But we use them as guard dogs. And we have one that just travels all around the house, and she's able to go in and out of every fence we have. She climbs over anything to get to where she needs to go, which is actually really good. And I just sound weird. My basketball. I'd like to play some basketball again. Can't wait till school starts. Yeah, fun, whatever. We have some more alpacas over here. Yes, we do. And some cute little puppies. Where's my cute girls? You want to see? This is my puppies. We have 4 Great Pyrenees dogs. Okay, this one's Bertha. This little rascal is Queenie, the cute big girl. But this one I'm petting is Winky. This one's Bertha that's licking me all over. Cutest puppies in the world. You should get some if you want. But they can be very rough. We have somebody laying down for your pleasure. This one is Deanna. Can you say hi? She's winking and wagging her ear. That's a good sign. Down, dog. No jumping. You know that. Over here we have Lace is the white one. The black one is either Raven or Susie Q. They're pretty much twins. Can't tell the difference between either one of them. The brown one in the back is Jax. Nemo is the one on... Newell is the one moving. Nemo is the other one. And then, I love this one. This one is my favorite because of what she is named after. This is Indy, everybody. Say hi to Indy. That's Honey. That's Lucy. That one in the back is Diamond, I think. Or it could be Vega. Very hard to tell the difference between some of them. It's Vega. And then that one back there is a soon-to-be mommy. Hi, Eliza. Can we get a side view of your belly? Look how big her belly is. She is pregnant with a baby, and she is adorable. She's going to be the best mom ever, and her baby will be adorable. Oh, hey. This is either Raven or Susie Q. Again, twins, can't tell the difference. That one's Vega. That one is... Wait a second. Okay. That one's Diamond. The one that I said was probably a twin. And that one's the other twin. Here's Sunny. Oh, who's a pretty little baby this morning? And I believe Music is lying down out there. And I see Coco. Coco is our baby alpaca. She's adorable. I'd die for her. She's adorable. That adorable. I would die. Okay, so the one laying down is actually Celine, because mommy and baby. Music is Coco's mom. And there they are. Hey girls, Music, Coco. That's Coco, the brown one, and the black one is Music. This is Celine. Laying down and being lazy this morning, I see. Come on, time to get up. There you go. Right now we're having breeding season, so best year ever. But that's Celine, Music, and Coco. See if I can get a little fun with Coco. Sometimes she'll let you, sometimes she won't. Coco? There's Music and Coco. Hi, Coco. You hear that? That's her clicking at me. It's adorable. Oh, you're a cute little girl. And that's your mom. It's adorable what they can do. Well, that's all my animals around the house. It took me 11 minutes to walk, to show, to name. I have 2 more animals, but they're inside, and I'm not in the mood to show you the cranky one. She's been in a pissy mood lately. And plus, my siblings are running around the house, so I'm not going to deal with that. But it was fun talking to you guys again. Leave a comment, and I will get back to you. Signing out, Emma and Queenie.